Hello, today we'll have a look on how we can update our PHP version on WordPress website. As you can see here in my own website, the PHP version that has been backdated, it's need required, as you can see here a notice. So we can't update the PHP version from our WordPress dashboard. We need to log in into our cPanel. So for login into the cPanel, we need to go here and write /cpanel. Then we need to give the username and the password. For the security purpose, I have already logged in here. So this is my cPanel, and you can see the cPanel, and in the search tools you need to search PHP, and you can see here select PHP version. So you can click here and you will be redirected here. And if you don't find these options in your cPanel, then you go here cPanel, then press Ctrl F, then PHP, search PHP here again. Then you can see this PHP, then scroll down below and you can see here your select PHP version. So I will click here on select PHP version. Then you can see current PHP version is 7.0. So I'll click on here and update it in 7.4. So now I'll click on apply. Now as you can see, my PHP version has been changed into 7.4. Now I'll go on my real website and give a refresh here, and you can see that notice has been gone. And for checking it, we need to go here tools, then the site health, then click on info, then click on here server, and you can see the PHP version is 7.4. So that's the way you can change your PHP version for your WordPress website. So thank you.